So yes guys, today I'm gonna show you my new Hollyland Lark 150. This is all the things that come with the box. It's beautiful. But I need to tell you guys, I try to use this with my iPhone 12, the one that I'm talking to you right now, and wasn't working. I bought this cable on Amazon that's supposed to be like I should connect this with my iPhone and then supposed to work, but it's not working. And well, I'm gonna go to Apple store close by to see what's going on, if the problem is my phone or if it is this microphone, because I paid 220 on Amazon, so it's not cheap.